guys, welcome back to another Ghost Line Express video. I'm currently here at St. James. I'm going to be doing a train spotting session here. Probably about 15-20 minutes here. I have a bit of history on St. James. And now, let me show you what. So you see St. James Station, it's like kind of an old vintage station, because it is. Because this is the history on it. This is possibly a museum station with two platforms. Yep. This is a museum station with the archway before it came into service. And when you're at, and this is the old Bradfield Vision for Sydney map, a bird's eye view of Sydney, and what you see here is White Bay, Blackwater Bay, and Roselle Bay, and it's like quite construct. I mean, like unlike this station, it's like I kind of actually feel like I'm back in time. So this is what they found while they were constructing St. James Station. It's actually kind of vintage. It's actually pretty old. And this is like St. James Station itself. What you see there were no tracks here. They were filled in. And what I'm going to show you is what they actually look like before then. So this used to be so for example, the platform over there used to be platform 1, 2, the one I'm standing on, and then this used to be like the tracks, like let's say track bed, right? And right underneath, it's like right straight through there is the St. James Station itself. And what is here is the toilets. And we also have an ESO service. It's a Malta A12, I should say. And also we have a 10-gallon platform number 1, Eppington service. Having said it's P43. So basically, what you don't know of this station, okay? So here's the artwork. Here's the artwork. So you see here, this is what the platform station is supposed to look like. So you see a man standing there, pretend that was me. I'm standing on the platform, which is right here. This used to be platform 3. stop. I was miscorrect. Platforms 1, 2, 3, 4. Platforms 3, platforms 2 and 3 supposed to be for the Illawarra line. So yeah. This is also for my abandoned side of things. It's also including train spotting, so yeah, let's say for both. Here, on one side of the train station, is the old map. Here's the old map. It actually looks pretty cool. So you see they still have the Collingford line, and then Olympic Park, Cronulla, and up to Boala, which is actually looks still normal, but I think the red one used to be for intercity, but they don't stop at all stations now. They only stop at Hornsby, Epping, Stratfield, and then Central. The L1 now goes to Dulwich Hill. So I'm going to be transporting on platform number 1 for a minute. Now I'll hop on to that's it right over there. It's kind of black hole-ish. Yeah. So there's something I really need to show you for now, right now. There's this. Also some history for bad inside of channel is this. This is called the, I think the Dead Man's Switch or something? Yeah. The Dead Man's Handle. So this is the Dead Man's Handle is what the drivers used to go fast, slow, and then brake, stop. So, yeah. That's basically all for this. They get one train on platform number 1, and I'll go over to platform 2, and that will be all for this video. I'll just get one train on platform 1, 3 trains on platform number 2. Then after this, I'm going to be doing a travel series from Central to Hornsby. And then 575 travel series all the way to Pymble Station. Thanks, guys. Yeah. And also, here's the old clock up here. It's actually pretty old. So yeah. Train's arriving into platform 1 in about 6 minutes. So quickly go into. I'm about to hit here. So this is the wall that's never ending. So let's time this walk. For example, if we have a timer, which is on my phone but I can't use it because I'm filming for this walk. So if we imagine we have a timer, it's like 1, 2, 3, let's say 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and then Yeah, I will get in about 1 minute. Train arriving into platform 1 in about 4 minutes. And Repington.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line at all times and allow others to get off before.
If you guys haven't read the book Lost Thing, this station kind of reminds me of that. I'll possibly take a photo and put it on the community post. Yeah. I'll ask you have you read this book yet. I was actually curious. I know cases are old, so if I come back here again on like during the week, possibly Thursday, possibly I can get a case set arriving, so which will be cool, and I'll possibly get 3.K. So yeah. Train arriving into platform 1 in about 3 minutes. I should be at Tangara or Water, which is pretty actually pretty cool. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do. That would be mostly appreciated. I just reached 271 subs, so I actually really want to hit 300 subscribers. So if that would be awesome if I do hit 300 subscribers, possibly by the end of the month, so I can go to Wondervine and train spot then, and yeah. So trains are coming on the bed, possibly still coming on its way. It's now in 1 minute. Okay, there's the wind, which means the train is coming. Stand behind the yellow line, please. Stand behind the yellow line and it say, whoa. Auto Series 2, B9. I don't think I'll film the trip from Central to Hornsby. B9 is set. gonna get one train and then I'll be wrapping up the 4K. Bye guys. So over here is St. Mary's Cathedral, the largest cathedral in Sydney. There's also the Waitara Cathedral along in the North Shore, and also Parramatta Catholic Cathedral out in Parramatta in the western side of Sydney. Not so small, it's not in Sydney, but it is, but yeah. Let's say it isn't, so. And we have Macarthur Beach Rise Airport Station in about 2 minutes. And that would be all for this video.
Help us keep your station clean. Please put your rubbish in the bins
To
below.
heaven is here. Light is here. Let's go. Right we go. B20 is the set that I'm gonna get on.
This station is St. James.
We didn't like force it out. I thought we would wear. Yeah, I want the sweater. They're in my house.
Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell.
That's so funny.
Of course, just subscribe. Now I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.